Today we want to look at the differences between Excel and Google Sheets. Excel is a Microsoft product, while Sheets is made by Google. Sheets is about the closest competitor to Excel right now, and if you are to look at the screens of both, you might even mistaken one for the other. Excel has the same name box and formula bar with column headings and row headings. Google Sheets also has the same. It has your name box with the formula bar with column headings and your row headings. One of the differences here is has a filter button also on the column headings, which is different from that of Excel. Now, Google Sheets is basically an online application, whereas Excel can run from your desktop. You save the files direct on all, but Google Sheets comes as part of your Gmail. You have those features there, and you can easily rename the file you are working on just from here. Alright, you change the name and you decide where exactly you want to save it. So in terms of usage, they work just about the same. If you have a good knowledge of Excel, or if you started off with Excel, it will be a breeze for you to switch over to using Google Sheets. Now, one difference between the two is that Google allows multiple people to work on the spreadsheet at the same time. Excel does not really have that feature. Excel is more like a one person working at a time. If somebody else wants to work on that sheet, you need permissions, all right, for the other person to close the sheet so that there's not going to be a mix-up in the data. But Google Sheets has that slight edge. So it depends on which one you choose to use. A lot of people will start off with Excel and switch to Google Sheet depending on their requirements. It is said, however, that Excel has better chart capabilities than Google Sheets, right? But the experience is going to determine for you which of them you actually prefer to use.